We all know that reading is good for us. It lets us switch from the outside world and relax our minds. But Hungarian literature? It's a treasure most people haven't discovered yet. Hey, my name is Petra, I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest, and today I'm inviting you to a challenge. Don't worry, it's not gonna be hard, I promise. As you saw in the title, I would like to start this year by creating a book club. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about it, so stick around. And before you skip this video, please don't. You don't have to read in Hungarian, it's not about that. I've selected books by Hungarian authors that are published internationally. Maybe just in English, but in English for sure. And we're going to read them together. Or not. It's totally fine if you decide to read these books years later or after you watch the videos. It's also totally fine if you don't read at all. You're just maybe curious about the Hungarian culture, so no pressure at all. The idea came to me because I really love to read, and especially classics, and I think that sharing great literature is one of the coolest things we can do. Also, January is the perfect time for resolutions, although I'm not really a fan of this concept because I think that many New Year's resolutions are destined to fail. Because life just happens, even if you really want to keep going, but that's totally fine. But this challenge is totally different because there's no pressure. My goal is to simply popularize the Hungarian literature in a fun and accessible way and not to torture you with them. So this year we're going to read 4 books by Hungarian authors, one for each season. Sounds manageable, right? Since this is my first time doing something like this, I also need more time to prepare, so that's why I selected 4 books for the first year. But who knows, maybe if you guys enjoy it, then we can go for 5 or 6 or 1 for each month. But that sounds exhausting, but who knows. I'll also make sure to speak about these books as spoiler-free as possible, so if you decide to read these books after I upload the videos, you're totally good to go. And now let's reveal our first read, which is going to be Abigail from Szabó Magda. I chose this one first because it's one of my favorite books from a Hungarian author, so I think it's perfect for a warm-up. It's available in English as an ebook. I will leave a link to it in the description, but if you prefer physical copies, this book is also available in paper form. This book was also translated into German, Polish, Italian, and many other languages. So if you're interested in reading in your mother tongue, just look it up on the internet and maybe you will be lucky. I also have a Hungarian copy, this one. It's extremely old. It's actually my mom's. So old that the spine is just gone completely. And my mother had to write, maybe you don't even see it, but like this maybe. Wait a damn second. So my mother had to write the title on it with a pencil because it wasn't readable, like what's this book on the shelf like this. So as you can see, it's a really old copy, but I don't mind it at all. I think the best thing that can happen with the book is that more generations read it. So yeah, it also has some drawings. It's very pretty and very old, and it has a very nice smell, which I also really like. I just got the English version in paperback. I don't mind reading ebooks, but I think for this video it makes more sense to, for me at least, to have a paperback copy. So I got it like last week, and I'm also curious to see how similar the translation is to the original one. I will check it out like a few pages and then I'll let you know. One important thing is the deadline. Right now the plan is that I will post the video about Abigail in the beginning of March. So you've got 2 months to read it. It's not super long, it's only 400 pages. I think there's plenty of time to enjoy this book. The next book will be announced in the Abigail video, so you should stick around. If you happen to be in Budapest during the year, I would like to recommend you a bookstore from where I've already bought 3 out of the 4 books of this year. It's a place called Bestsellers, and you can find here many translated Hungarian works, but also tons of books in English language and other languages that you can't buy anywhere else in Hungary. It's a 3-minute walk from the St. Stephen's Basilica. It's on the October 6th street, so it's right in the city center. You don't have to travel more to visit this bookstore. So if you want to have physical copies, this is a perfect place. I really recommend it. The prices are also quite reasonable, so I think you will like it very much. If you have any related questions to the book club, let me know in the comments. I hope that at least some of you will join me this year, but even if you just read one book from the list, I will be thrilled. Sharing these amazing Hungarian authors is really an honor, so I'm really excited for this challenge. Wishing you all a pleasant reading. That was it for today, and see you in the next one. Bye!